Now I know this look a little ghetto as hell right now what I'm about to show y'all, but this is a quick little money saving hack for everybody out there. Now if you're not a sweet tea drinker, it ain't gotta technically be sweet tea, it could be anything you like. You know, if you got a blender, get you some fruits. But for me, I like sweet tea. I'm gonna get into the smoothies and the juices on my next check product. I'm gonna buy me a little blender and get busy with that. But sweet teas, it's a low budget. All you need is sugar and you need the tea packets. That's all you need. Sugar, tea packets in a kitchen, and you can whip it up. This shit gonna last me at least, where the box at? This is the little 20 box right here, okay? This is the 20 box. This is like, I know it's probably, I think it's less than $10, depending on where you go. Go to Whole Foods, CVS, Walgreens, wherever you go, you get this for about $10, maybe even less than $10. All right, this is a 20 pack. All you need is 4 packets to fill this up. That's it. That's all you need is 4 packets and a cup and a half of sugar to fill this up and make your batch real quick. This will fill up 4 17-ounce water bottles. 4 of them. You think I'm lying? You about to see. You know what I'm saying? And then it's just all about how much you like to drink. You know, if you only like to drink 1 bottle of this a day, 2 bottles, I do 2 bottles. Do 2 bottles. When I'm at work, I do 2 bottles a day. Now you think about that. If I can get 4 bottles, that's a bottle per packet. That's 20 bottles of sweet tea I'm getting out of this. At least 4 bottles each time I make a batch. 20 bottles. If I'm drinking 2 a day, that means I'm set for at least, I'm a little off with the math. That's 10 days. Every 10 days, I'm Gucci. Every 10 days, I'm Gucci. I ain't gotta worry about it. And then when that 10th day come up, then I go re-up. Go to the grocery store, give me some more. That's every 10 days. That's like a week and a half. Every week and a half, then I go. As long as you don't OD and putting a ton of sugar in your shit, you ain't gotta worry about running out of sugar fast. You can get a good, at least 3 batches on a small amount of the small count of sugar. You don't even need the big bag. You get the regular small bag of sugar and still be straight. You're about to see this in real time. And you think about that. Because Gold Peak Sweet Tea, if you ain't got an employee discount like myself, you paying, depending on where you at, you paying like $3 and some change, or you might be paying like $2.80, like a little $2.80, $2.85 per bottle. So imagine you drinking two of those per day at work, or 1 of those. It's gonna add up. You're gonna save more money just making it yourself. That's 4 bottles. That is 4 17-ounce bottles I just got out that batch. You do the math. For 17 times 2, 34. 17 again, get you to 51. This is 68 ounces I just got out of that. That's 68 ounces I just got out of that batch. And I still got enough to make a 5th bottle. Don't worry about it, because when I edit this motherfucker. Bottle number 5, and still got a sip left. That's how you do it. That's how you save you some money on beverages, man. Instead of when you go to work, you drinking sodas, you drinking, whatever your beverage of choice is, Arizona's, sodas, orange juice, whatever you like, you can figure out a way to make that at home. You're gonna save way more money. Way more. I got to pour a little bit in this cup. Come on, man. Legendary. That's just an easy little tip right there. You can save you some money every single day like that. Every single day. Ever since I started doing this, at one point I was spending damn near $10. I would buy 2 vitamin waters and a sweet tea. I buy 2 sweet teas and a vitamin water. Like, it's getting pricey out here. It's adding up to like $10 just for 3 beverages. I'm not paying that. When I could spend less than 10 for this. Then I could spend what? How much did I spend on this sugar? The sugar might have been $5. I think the sugar was $5. So I could just take less than $15 and make it stretch. Take $15, make it stretch. That's what you're supposed to do. That's how you make money stretch. That's a little tip for y'all out there. Whatever you like to drink, figure out how you can make it at home, and you can make your money stretch for you. It's a little saving tip right there.